So guys, as you all know, my name is Akinola Kin. I am the lead instructor from KinFX Academy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please at the end of this video click on subscribe button if you think I deserve that from you. So guys, I'm going to explain something about this strategy. It's what you have been seeing regularly. I've sometimes dropped a video that contain these two indicators. So now what I'm using the indicator for now is very simple. It's just straightforward scalping strategy. You understand? In this strategy, you don't have much to do. It's just to calculate your lot size per minute. You understand? Because one candle is going to go for $1. So what will reduce the amount is when you enter the trade late. You can see I have 1.3 here and I have 1.2 here. Is already one candle. I have to close it. That is what the strategy says. One candle, $1. That's why I use 1.5 lot on boom 1000 or crash 1000. If you are trading boom 500 and any 500 markets, is that boom 500, boom 300 or crash 500, crash 300, you can use only one or 0. Use 0.5 on boom 300 and crash 300. The 300 markets, they has high volatile this more than the other markets, so the amount per pips is more than the boom 1000 and crash 1000. So if you are trading crash 1000, you can use 1.5 lot size. If you are trading crash 1000, you can use lot size of 1.5. But if you are trading 500 markets, boom 500 or crash 500, you can use only one lot or 0.8 or 7. But if you are trading 300, crash 300 or boom 300, use 0.5. This strategy is just one candle, 1 minute strategy. You understand? But if your account is not up to $30-50, don't use up to that lot. You should just stick to maybe one candle, $0.5. You understand? So you know this strategy, this accelerator oscillator and this oscillator awesome oscillator and accelerator accelerator oscillator. So I'm going to show you all these indicators are B. Williams indicators. What you are looking for here is just an agreement between these two indicators. You understand? As I've done one video like that, I've explained the principal operation of these two moving averages, that they tell you when the momentum in the market is going to change. That is when you see red color. Sorry, this is boom. That's where you see green color. When you sense any green color, when this thing is down, that means the momentum is going to change. You understand? So, and when there's an agreement between these two indicators, that means the strength of that trend is strong. So now we don't want to stay long in the market counting 4 to 3 candle. That's why I just come up with this strategy, because some used to complain that the strategy maybe you just catch 4 candle with 3, there will be spike. But this one candle strategy is 100%, though I don't like saying 100, let me just say 99.9%. you understand? So let's give the, because broker can behave and the ref can do as they like, we don't have power over them. You understand? We only follow the strategy we are using and how and the market structure. So guys, I want to just give you one clue. This my chart is just thought you know, this is the last zoom. This is the this is the first one, this is the second, this is the second one, and this is the third one. So I'm using this. You understand? So another clue I want to give you is that if you know your account is not that much, you understand, you have to consider the direction too. If you don't have much in your account, you have to consider the direction too. You know what I mean? You know, here now this is facing up, why this is facing down. You can see this is facing up, why this is facing down. There is no direction agreement, but there is color agreement between them that the market is selling. But one is doubting the trend. You understand? So when you don't have much in your account, just wait till there is an agreement between the direction. But if you have more than $50 in the account, you can just go only look for the color. You understand? So I will have trade this. You can see there's an agreement between these two color, red, though they are not facing same direction. While we trade it, just click on one candle and exit the trade here. One candle, exit the trade here. So anytime you trade that and you see and you sense any green movement and later you still see an agreement color, you still trade it. Assuming you exit here, you still come after this three green candle. This is what I'm explaining in case you are not seeing that. So after these three green candle, you still enter here, you exist. After these candles, you still enter here and you exist. Can you see that you can make a lot of money in the market with this simple strategy? A lot of money, a lot. Even if you don't pick one candle per $1, even if you pick low, you still pick a lot. It's just one candle. Let's see, guys. At least I can see a green candle here. Okay, it has turned to red. That means the momentum is still the trend is still valid, so we can't enter here. Let's check another market. You can see the previous one I used 1.5 to trade on a boom 500 or crash 300 markets. You see that there is a lot of, I even used one to pick up to $10. You understand? So that's why I say you should be careful when trading 300. Is that boom 300 or crash 300? That is just about this strategy. You only look for when the color is equal. The first one, assuming we click on this 300 first, we'll have, okay, this is it too, but it's already going. Let's jump on it. Let's just use 0.5 by, sorry, by, oh, sorry. I should have used 0.5 instead. The market will soon close. This candle will soon close. After at the close of this candle, I have to close the trade because I think it has closed. So I have to close this. Close this. I didn't enter early. So the strategy, we have to follow the rules that the strategy give. So here, this is what I'm saying. If you are using a low account, you should wait. As you can see, this green facing up. You should wait for this here to face up. But if you have enough in your account, like 50, 30, 50 upward, you can enter from this first two green color. You can enter here. So we enter late. Let's see whether we can see. It's usually form in the market every day. Just enter the market and keep making money. You understand? So let's go and search for another signal. So let's see whether we can see here, the strength of this trend is very strong here, and here too, though here is been weakened. The accelerator has been getting weak, which means the momentum is going to change soon. It has already give us that signal too in this awesome oscillator. So I don't think we're going to have what we want here. Let's check another market. Let's check crash 1000. Let's see. I just want to enter like one or two more trade just to show you exactly what I'm seeing. On your own, you can just go to your demo account and see this. Check this very well. Here we see one here. You can see this is two. The green candle, there's an agreement in color. Then we enter for buy. This is crash 1000. Let me use 1.5. Let me just buy. So let's see how it goes. So you can just go to your demo account, test this, get used to the lot size with the one candle. So it's one candle $1. So when you get to your demo account here, you check different lot size. You will know the one that's suitable for the one candle. At the close of this candle, we are closing the trade. It's one candle. We already have 0.33. I think we enter late. We should close it. We enter late. Sometimes 1000 markets slow. It just closes. The strategy is just one candle. So the rest is you and your lot size. The strategy is one candle. Get that clear. Let me see if I can still see another one. This will also soon form. It will form soon. I guess at the close of this candle we have a signal here. Let's see. What did I say? We have signal now. Let's just go for buy. I want the candle to close. So at the close of this candle, we are exiting the trade. Just go to demo account, guys. Test the strategy very well on your own so that you can build the confidence. You understand? When you build the confidence, and that's when you can use the strategy very well. Strategy is different from signal. So signal is what someone can give you and you enter the trade directly, but strategy is like an idea, so which you have to build your own confidence in it. You should close the trade. It's already one candle. So guys, I wish you more profit in the market and I wish you happy trading. Trade responsible.